Good evening everybody. Myself is the Krishna Reddy. I am a chemistry JE advanced level faculty. Today we are going to see oxidation of alcohol using various oxidizing agent beta. And you know there are the different oxidizing agents are there. So out of we have to see only one, manganese dioxide is a selective oxidizing agent. So first we must know about what is the mean of oxidation. Okay. So oxidation having the three definition. Okay. What are the three definition? One, water addition of oxygen, clear. Second, removal of hydrogen, and third, now removal of electron, clear. Now if you have to see oxidation of alcohol, only we have to see how addition of oxygen going on, how hydrogen going to remove, clear. In the oxidation we are using what? Different oxidizing agent. Very important, very important. See, okay, how many oxidizing agents are there? One is what here? Potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Second one, potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic medium, or we can represent now K2Cr2O7 in sulfur dioxide. Otherwise in some books you will find K2Cr2O7 now H2SO4, clear. Now if you have to see, these two are found to what here as a strong oxidizing agent. Very important, very important, clear. Strong oxidizing agent. If you have to see as the remaining oxidizing agent, one is nothing as a Collins reagent. What is the mixture of Collins reagent? One is pyridine, see, along with chromium trioxide, again as the dichloromethane. What is the ratio? Now 2:1:1 ratio. Okay. Now next reagent, if you have to see, that called as now PCC. PCC is called as what here? As a pyridinium. Now chlorochromate. Now see, chlorochromate. What is the structure? Now pyridine. Now chromium trioxide, again hydrochloric acid. So what is the ratio? 1:1 as a 2. Another reagent, if you have to see oxidizing agent, now Sarrate reagent. Now Sarrate reagent. What is the combination of Sarrate reagent? Is a combination of what here? The two. One is the Collins reagent, another one is the PCC. So pyridine, now chromium trioxide, again hydrochloric acid, again dichloromethane. So what is the ratio? 1:1:1, clear. Now if you have to see, again another oxidizing agents are there, clear. What we can use? One, we can use red hot cooperative beta. Now see, again what we can use? We can use what here? Jones reagent, clear. Very important, Jones reagent in many cases, in the many times in the JK. Okay. What is the combination? Now you can represent H2Cr2 as O4. Now in that is the acetone. Otherwise you can represent what here? Now chromium trioxide, now H2SO4 in aqueous acetone. This combination called as a Jones reagent. And another one is the selective reagent, is nothing but manganese dioxide, clear. And this manganese dioxide today we have to see in the detail. And this manganese dioxide called as what here? Now selective, okay, with regarding called as what here? As oxidizing, okay, based upon what here as a agent, clear. Now these are what beta as a different oxidizing agent, but today in our lecturer, that is we have to see not all these oxidizing agent, only focusing on what here? Manganese dioxide. How the manganese dioxide is called as selective oxidizing agent? Because it oxidizes allylic alcohol, it oxidizes benzylic alcohol, and it oxidizes allylic 2-degree alcohol. benzylic 2 degree alcohol, but not normal as the 2 degree 1 degree. So if you have to see how it oxidizes by seeing the various example beta, that also we can see. So one by one, that is the examples I will show in order to what here as the oxidizing agent using of which manganese dioxide. Clear? Now see, if I used what manganese dioxide, so as I told you, now how it can oxidizes and how in what condition we can find aldehyde as well as a ketone. Okay, so based upon what here, now first I will take the example what here, suppose I drawn what here, now using of manganese dioxide, as I told you, now it is a selective oxidizing agent. If you have to see the word, now it oxidize what here as a benzylic what here as a alcohol. Okay, benzylic alcohol. If in the structure now present as what here allylic. Okay, allylic alcohol. After that, now 2 degree alcohol if there, again what about 1 degree alcohol if there, means keep in your mind, suppose in the given structure benzylic 2 degree is there, it converted into what, ketone. Now benzylic 1 degree is there, converted into aldehyde. Allylic alcohol in 2 degree converts into ketone. Allylic alcohol is 1 degree converts into as the aldehyde. So suppose I drawn the structure what here, for example, now see, I drawn the structure like this. Okay, now double bond, again here OH, again here OH. Clear? Now if you observed, then you will find what here, now double bond as a single bond and this OH. Now this group is called as what here as allylic. Clear? Now if you compare, now this double bond, single bond and this one, this is nothing but as a allylic. If you have to see OH position on this carbon is linked on this adjacent 2 carbon, so this belong of which degree here, 2 degree. This also nothing but as a which degree here, 2 degree. In the presence of what here as a manganese dioxide, so what you will get here, now as I told you, now 2 degree is converted into what here as a ketone, so double bond O and double bond, this is what here as our answer. Means what here, 2 degree converts into what, ketone, and 1 degree converts into what here as the aldehyde. Suppose I will take one example, now another one. See, now here I have been taken like this structure. See, okay, now like this structure, and I kept here as a one OH group. Here I kept what here, double bond with OH group. Okay, again here I kept what here as a one OH group. Again here just I shown just as a methyl group. Okay, here I shown just like what here as a hydrogen. So in such a case, how you can say here, now this is nothing but as alcohol. Okay, and nature of the alcohol, what you find here as a 2 degree. Now this carbon is linked with adjacent 2 carbon as a, so 2 degree alcohol. Now here you observed, now 2 adjacent carbon is 2 degree alcohol. Here you see again the 2 degree alcohol. In all the condition, if you see, now normal 2 degree not get oxidizing. Okay, but if you have to see, now compared to this 2 degree alcohol, what you observed here, double bond, single bond and double bond, what you can find here, it is in the form of what here as allylic. Clear now? But here not like that, here not like that. And what is the condition? If benzylic is there, otherwise allylic is there, which degree here? 2 degree alcohol, that convert into what here as a ketone. So what you will get beta here? Now I will draw the structure. Now you will find here the same structure. Here I will draw remaining OH. See here one OH. Okay. Again here the substrate same. Here also the same. Now OH is unaffected. Why? Because they are not in allylic. Now here double bond is there. Allylic is there. So what you will get here as a double bond. Clear now? Suppose I have been taken here like this. Okay, so what we can say, now compare this double bond, single bond, then what you can say, now this is the allylic position. In such allylic position, then you can convert into what here as a ketone. Means what, depending upon whether that is a allylica, whether that is a benzylica, then you can find. Suppose I had told you what, say here I drawn what the structure here. Suppose one structure I drawn here. Okay, now this is nothing but as a like this. Clear? Clear beta? Okay, and another one, suppose here I have been taken what here as a OH. Very important, very important. Now in this case, what you can say, yes sir, this is the 2 degree alcohol. Clear now? Why 2 degree alcohol? Because it is adjacent with as a 2 carbon. So what we can say is the 2 degree alcohol. Now if you see, now this carbon is linked with the 1 carbon, so this called as the 1 degree alcohol. So what I said, what I told you, that is a 1 degree converted into the aldehyde and 2 degree converts into the ketone. So what we can say, but keep, that is, this is not allylic. Keep in your mind, this is what here benzylic. So what you will get the product, suppose I used what here manganese dioxide, which is the oxidizing agent. So 2 degree alcohol is the unaffected because there is no allylic position. But see, if you see, now this is nothing but as OH is there. Clear? again this carbon is there, again here there this carbon is there which is attached to 1, again 2. So this benzene is effective, that is a effective, shows as a both the types. So what you will get here, now this is the benzene, okay, now benzene. Now here also converts into what your ketone. Why? Because this is the benzylic of 2 degree alcohol. Clear? This is the benzylic of 1 degree alcohol. Then what you will get here with regarding as a double bond O, again as a H. Otherwise somebody they confuse, sir. Now this is not a only this is a normal of 2 degree alcohol. Only this is the 1 degree alcohol because that is attached to the benzene directly in the 1 degree. So confusing. So in this condition you see in what fashion, in what regarding the nature of carbon, whether the allylic or vinylic. Suppose another example I have been taken what you now see with regarding what you now double bond, okay, again what your OH, okay, and another one here I can find here as the, now here as the OH. Clear? So you can say here, now this is the which degree alcohol as a 1 degree. Why? Because OH is attached the carbon is attached to this one. Again here OH is the attached the carbon is attached this one. But see, now in this condition, now in this direction if you observed, now double bond, single bond, again continuous single bond is there. But this side is there, that is what here double bond, again single bond is there. So what we can say, beta, now this is the allylic but this is not allylic. Clear now? So in such a case, if you observed, now if I design what I have shown what, that is a manganese dioxide using of the function if I seen, so then you can say manganese oxidize this side but not this OH group. Why? Because this is an allylic medium. So you will get what here as a now double bond O, again as a H, again here you will find what here as unaffected like this. Okay. Now this is what here as under normal condition if you will feel, which benzylic, allylic, 2 degree, 1 degree. Suppose in the compound, no there is a benzylic, no there is a allylic. So in such a case only 2 degree is there, as a 1 degree is there. So what you have to see, directly you would give the priority to the 2 degree. So what you will get, suppose I have been taken like this, okay. Now with regarding what here as a C, now here this is what here OH, okay, and this is nothing but again OH, okay. Then you can say what here, now this is the which degree here, 2 degree. Why? Because the carbon is attached to the adjacent to carbon. Now this carbon is attached to the only one carbon. So this is the which degree here, 1 degree. Now this is the which degree here, 2 degree. So what we can say, there is no any double bond. In order to what? Say allylic. There is no any benzene ring. So you can say what here, benzylic. So what we can say, according to there is no any benzylic or allylic, then see beta whether that is a priority to give which alcohol, 2 degree alcohol. So what you have to see, now this 2 degree alcohol in the presence of what here as a manganese dioxide get oxidized, and what you will get beta now see as a double bond O, again what beta as a COH. Clear? Like this. But the same condition I used. Instead of the manganese dioxide, just I changed what here as a which one here, now silver carbonate. Very important. Silver carbonate changing. Then what happened? The same condition, same story, same like that. Same functioning like that. You will find the same 1 degree to aldehyde, 2 degree to the ketone. But here only changing what here. First priority you have to give the 1 degree alcohol. Again the second priority you have to give to the 2 degree alcohol. When what present? Silver carbonate is there. Suppose I have been taken some examples beta. Then how you can get the product, oxidize the product in presence of what? Silver carbonate. Clear? Now see, got it beta these structures? Okay, now see, I will take one structure, now like this, as a double bond, okay, as a OH. Again I will take what here as a C, now OH, again as a double bond, now here as a OH. Then what we can say, now this is the one of the structure is there. In this case, see, this is the allylic or benzylic. Observe here now double bond as a single bond, nothing but this called as what, as a allylic. Allylic means what? OH should be bonded the carbon which should be how as a which sp3 hybridized. Otherwise simply you can find as a double bond with an extra adjacent single bond. Here if you observed, now see double bond is there, but this OH is directly attached to the double bond. So this is not allylic, this is called as a vinylic. Again this is the normal condition of which one here as a 2 degree, because OH is joined with this carbon as a this carbon. So in the presence of what here I have been taken as the manganese dioxide. So what you will get here, this is the unaffected. So what you will find here, now based upon what you now see as the OH as it is, double bond, again here OH as it is, but here now double bond converted into what here as a double bond as H, nothing but as a which functional group here, as a aldehyde functional group is there. But the same suppose I have been used, now suppose I have been taken another one structure, now see which one, now here as a OH, Okay, again here I have been taken what here as OH. Then what you can say, there is no any allylic. Now any benzylic is there? No. What you can say, now 2 degree is there. Again what you observed here as a 1 degree is observed, then there is no any benzylic. But what I given here as a silver carbonate as specific oxidizing agent. What oxidizing agent? That is a preferring, that's a 1 degree alcohol compared to 2 degree. But in the manganese dioxide, what we have been seen here, 2 degree priority compared to what here as a 1 degree. So in this condition, in the structure, no benzylic, no allylic is there. Clear no? So first priority goes to what here as a 1 degree. So it get oxidized, but it does not. So in the presence of what as a silver carbonate, clear, and silver carbonate structure is nothing but as a Ag2CO3. Ag2CO3. Why? Because the silver carrying of what positive and CO3 carrying of -2. So the formula is comes Ag2CO3. And what you will get about the structure is found to what here as a say one OH here and another one nothing but what about a double bond O, again what about H. Now this is nothing but as what as with regarding what about as aldehyde. Clear? Now this is the what as general as a selective oxidizing agent using what here manganese dioxide as well as what here silver carbonate. But another one is there, that is what here as a mild oxidizing agent, that also we will see. Okay. So but we have been seen manganese dioxide, we have been seen what as a silver carbonate. Okay. So next to oxidizing agent, if you have to see what about as a PDC and PCC. Okay. So first you must know beta, now PDC also the normal condition it get oxidized to aldehyde only. But if you are using a specific reagent, then it get change their function, change its function. How? Now see, if I use what here PDC full form what? Pyridium, now dichromate. Okay. Now just as I told you what, now one is nothing but a Jones reagent. Okay. Second is nothing but what here as a Collins reagent. Now next to nothing but what here as a Sarrett reagent. Next to nothing but what here as a what we can say here that copper, that is what here as a tube, hot tube. But if you have to see now in this condition exception is there. Okay, but in all the cases, which one here? One PCC is there. Okay. And another one is what here, now PDC is there. Now these all are called as what here now what we can say as a mild what here as a oxidizing agent. Clear? Weak oxidizing agent means 1 degree alcohol converts to into aldehyde and further reaction does not occur. Means first step only removal of hydrogen and you will get only that is aldehyde. So these reagents only oxidizes alcohol to aldehyde respectively. Now 2 degree alcohol, okay, again removal of hydrogen, okay, and converts into what here as a ketone. Yes, here PD is also the same. Here I wrote the PDC. If I shown the structure, now say pyridine, okay, dichromate Cr2 as a O7. Pyridinium dichromate means you should show one hydrogen and carrying a positive charge because nitrogen having the 4 bonds and here you will get as a 1 minus, and this is the structure of what here now pyridinium dichromate. And if I used what now are CH2 as a OH, now this is nothing but what beta, now 1 degree alcohol. Clear? Why? Because OH is present on first carbon. So if I used what here as a PDC in the normal condition, nothing any, I am using a reagent. So what it gives? It gives the aldehyde. There I wrote what there is a removal of hydrogen, okay, and removal of hydrogen as I told you beta, that is the oxidation, and what you will get beta now R as a CHO. Clear? Aldehyde. But suppose the same if in the presence of what here as I used what here as the CH2 as a Cl2, again the no change, again the same you will get what here as aldehyde RCHO, nothing but what here as aldehyde. Okay, but if I used what here now PDC along with pyridinium dichromate along with I use what here as a DMF called as what here dimethyl formamide. Now see DMF. DMF full form is what here? Now dimethyl formamide. Structure see beta. Now H now C double bond O as a NH2. This is called as what here? As a amide. Here hydrogen is there, so called as what here? Formamide. If I remove the 2 hydrogen and I substitute here as a 2 methyl group, then that called as what here? Dimethyl formamide. And that reagent I used here along with PDC, then it converted into what here? As a acid. Clear? Carboxylic acid. Means based upon the reagent changing, you will get as the different that is the products. Suppose here I have been taken what here? Now with regarding what beta, now see here I have been taken benzene. Okay. Now here what as the phenol, for example. Now benzyl alcohol. Clear? When I use what here as a PDC, then what you can say? Now this is the 1 degree alcohol converted into what? Now benzaldehyde. If you use also what here as a CH2Cl2, again the same you will get. But suppose if I use what here now as along with as a PDC, okay, and here dimethyl as a formamide, then what you will get here? Now here you will get, instead of benzaldehyde, here you will find what here as a which compound here? As a benzoic acid. Clear? So in all the cases what here? As a Jones reagent, Collins reagent, Sarrett reagent, PCC, PDC, in all the you will find what here? Only aldehyde up to limit. There is no further oxidation. But only in case of PDC, if you are using what as the CH2Cl2, there is no only aldehyde you will get. But in case of what here, instead of CH2Cl2, if you are using a DMF, that is called as a dimethyl formamide, then instead of aldehyde you will get what here as the acid. Clear? Clear with all of you? Okay. But see, now only what here as a copper tube, hot copper tube. But hot copper tube, there is a formation of alkene. Means in all the case what you observed here, now first there is a removal of what here as a hydrogen. In the second step what happened? There is a addition of oxygen. And as I told you, only you should see the definition when we are seeing what as the alcohol oxidation. Okay, now one getting what here? Removal of hydrogen, and another observing what? Addition of oxygen. The same, but in case of if you are using a copper tube, hot copper tube, then what happened? No, there is no formation of aldehyde, there is no formation of what here as a ketone. So what there is a formation? Now there is a formation of alkene. It means what? There is a undergoes a dehydration. Removal of hydration done, and you will get the alkene. For example, for your understanding, I will take what here now CH3. Okay, now see again what about now CH3, again what here now CH3, again what here as a OH. Now this is what here as a tertiary butyl alcohol. Why? The BH is attached to what here? The carbon, which is the what is the nature here? 3 degree attached with 1, 2, 3, 3 degree. So 3 degree, that is a tertiary, we can write tert. 4 carbons are there called as what here? Butyl, and as a alcohol. Clear? But instead of all these oxidizing agent, suppose I am using what beta? Now we are using what here as a copper tube, red hot copper tube. So what happened now? Here one hydrogen and here one OH eliminates in the form of water molecule, and you know in this compound, that is the what this is the one of the which reaction here as a elimination reaction. Okay, why elimination reaction? Now there is what here as a removal of water takes place, and when the removal of water takes place, that is called as what here as a dehydration. Clear? So what you will get here? Here you will get what here now CH3, again what here now C, again what now CH3, again double bond what here as a CH2, and you will get what here as a alkene. Clear? So in all the cases, that is you will find a carbonyl compound, but except in case of what here as a red hot copper tube, you will get as a alkene. And this is topic what beta as the oxidation of alcohols, and further that is in the next video lectures I am going to start as a types of reducing agent, okay, which can convert one functional group to the another functional group. Various reducing agents are there beta: nickel, platinum, palladium, triphenyl tin hydride, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, okay, hydrazine ethylene glycol as well as KOH, called as a named reaction. Okay, another one zinc, again mercury, again concentrated HCl. So many named, that is the reducing agent. Which functional groups can convert to in another which functional group, that we can see in the next video lectures. Still, bye. Thank you.